It's 2025, and let's be real. If you don't own the skies, you don't stand a chance. Forget tanks and fighter jets for a sec. Drones are rewriting the rulebook of modern warfare. But the question is, which countries actually lead the drone game right now? Let's count down the top 5 drone armies in the world, 2025 edition. And trust me, number 1 might not be who you think. Starting at number 5, Iran. Yeah, I know. Surprised? You shouldn't be. Iran has gone from DIY drone kits to combat-proven strike drones like the Shahed 136 that's made headlines in Ukraine. Their tech's not flashy, but it's cheap, fast to deploy, and deadly in numbers. And let's not forget, they're exporting them too. That's influence. At number 4, we've got Turkey. They've basically branded drone warfare with the Bayraktar TB2. It's become the AK-47 of the skies. From Libya to Nagorno-Karabakh, Turkish drones have owned the battlefield. And now with the newer Akıncı drones, they're not slowing down. Number 3, Russia. Now before you scroll to the comments, yes, they've had a rough ride with drone losses. But in 2025, Russia has invested heavily in electronic warfare drones, kamikaze UAVs, and mass production. They're playing a quantity game with a brutal edge. Think swarm tactics meets cyber strikes. Coming in at number 2, China. China's drone fleet is massive. From the Winglong 2 to stealthy combat drones, they've basically built a full-on robotic air force. They're also flooding markets across Africa and Asia with their tech. Strategic soft power at scale. Oh, and they're experimenting with AI-piloted swarm drones. Science fiction? Nope. Just Beijing in 2025. And number 1, you already guessed it, the United States. No one's matching America's drone warfare ecosystem. You've got Reapers, Global Hawks, stealth UCAVs, and now AI-integrated loitering munitions that can pick targets on the fly. Add in satellite precision and joint force integration. And yeah, the US isn't just ahead, they're years ahead. So what does this all mean? Drones aren't just supporting warfare anymore. They are the war. And if you're not investing in drone tech in 2025, you're already behind. Which country do you think will dominate drone warfare by 2030? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm watching. Don't forget to like, sub, and hit that bell if you're into real military breakdowns, not just headlines.